Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie TT. For those who don't know me and for those who do, thank you for joining another wig review. Today's wig I'll be reviewing today is the one that I'm currently wearing. So go ahead and watch me install the wig and then come back and I'll give you my 50% of whether you should be picking this wig up. Let's go. So now you've watched me install the wig. Let's go ahead and talk about the specs of the unit. Unit was sent over to me by Ayiyi here. Thank you, Ayiyi, for sponsoring this video. The unit that is sent over is the Bob Lace Closure Wig Highlight Wavy 13x4 lace front human hair wig in the length 14 inches. I think it does come with 4 combs, straps, adjustable straps, as well as straps to secure the lace down a little bit more secure. So a little bit more about the unit. It is human hair. It is 180% density. It does have Swiss lace. It does have highlight. Can be dyed. The cap size is 22.5 inches. The texture is body wave. The hairline is pre-plucked with baby hairs. Can wear it glueless. And yeah, so yeah, what do I think about the unit? I love the unit. I love the unit. I did go ahead and crimp it, and then I feathered out the crimp so it's not as tight, and I love that. This unit is a great graduation wig. If you are looking for a wig to go to a graduation as a participant, or are you going to support somebody, honey, pick this unit up. Pick it up. Look at the highlights. Look at those highlights. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Love that color. It's gorgeous. Hand curler unit. I was trying to be different, so I went ahead and crimp it, and this is the result, and I love it. I did get in the length 14 inches, so not too long, although it does look longer than 14 inches. I'm not complaining because I love it, love it, love it, love it. I really love these highlights right here. You see it? I love it. So thank you, Ayiyi, for sponsoring this video. What would I rate the unit? A 10, 10, 10. Go ahead and get this unit if you really need a human hair wig. They do allow for 4 interest-free payments. They ship very fast, like quick shipping, like Amazon Prime quick, okay? So go ahead and get this unit. I will leave the link down in the description so you can go ahead and check it out. So if you got in the video, you're the real MVP. Don't forget to like the video, share the video. I'll see you in the next week. Bye, guys.